Here are 10 home remedies to help get rid of insects. Peppermint oil. Mix a few drops of peppermint oil with water and spray it in areas where insects are present. The strong scent of peppermint repels many insects. Vinegar. Create a solution of equal parts vinegar and water. Spray it around windowsills, doorways, and other entry points to deter insects. Citrus peels. Save citrus peels, such as from oranges or lemons, and place them near insect-prone areas. The strong scent can repel insects. Garlic. Crush several cloves of garlic and mix them with water. Spray the solution around the perimeter of your home or in areas where insects congregate. Cucumber slices. Place cucumber slices in areas where ants or other insects are present. The bitter taste and strong aroma of cucumbers can help repel them. Baking soda and sugar. Create a mixture of equal parts baking soda and sugar. Sprinkle it in areas where you see ants, as they are attracted to the sugar, but the baking soda will kill them. Neem oil. Dilute neem oil with water and spray it in areas where insects are present. Neem oil acts as a natural insect repellent. Essential oils. Certain essential oils, like lavender, eucalyptus, or tea tree oil, can repel insects. Mix a few drops of your preferred oil with water and spray it around your home. Bay leaves. Place bay leaves in cupboards, pantry shelves, or other areas where insects tend to gather. The strong scent of bay leaves can deter them. Natural insect traps. Create traps using household items. For example, make a fruit fly trap by placing a small amount of apple cider vinegar in a jar with a funnel. The flies will be attracted to the scent but will get trapped inside. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.